shift our focus to what's happening here in India. It is the election season ahead of elections, assembly elections in Assam. We have spoken exclusively to Himanta Biswa Sarma. Listen in to what he said.
Today is a big day. I am going to file nomination for my Jalukbari constituency. I seek blessings of Ma Kamakhya, Mahapurush Srimad Shankardev and people of Assam.
So there you heard, it's a very, very important day. Himanta Biswa Sarma, the Assam Chief Minister, is going to be filing his nomination from Jalukbari for Assam Legislative Assembly election 2026. And this is going to be a very, very interesting battle for both the parties in Assam. And those are the visuals that we are getting for you of the roadshow of the Assam Chief Minister. What's going to be interesting this time is how some very important Congress leaders, how they have jumped ship and they have joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. Let's listen in once again to what the Chief Minister of Assam had to say.
Today is a big day. I am going to file nomination for my Jalukbari constituency. I seek blessings of Ma Kamakhya, Mahapurush Srimad Shankardev and people of Assam.
Let's go across to my colleague Pragya, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Pragya, good morning. An important day there for BJP, for the Assam Chief Minister. He's going to file the nomination. We can see a lot of people who have gathered around to catch a glimpse of the Chief Minister on this crucial day during this roadshow.
Absolutely. In fact, it was kind of a festival, and in fact, there were many women who were present with the puja thali, to give their blessings to Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. And before starting his own roadshow, he said that while I'm going to file nomination, I seek blessings of Ma Kamakhya Devi. A lot of emotional, touch in his statement, and also the sentiment of the local people. It's very big, and the kind of, culture and tradition that he was also sporting when he went on to this roadshow till the nomination that he's going to file in Kamrup District Collector's office. He was also wearing the pride of Assam, which is Assam Gomcha, along with the family, and this is definitely a very significant day for Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma. He is also asking people to, elect him for the second time as the Chief Minister of Assam. A very crucial test for Himanta Biswa Sarma, I would say. But, given the sentiment of the people and the kind of talk that we had, the people from Jalukbari, most of them have said that there is a lot of development that Jalukbari and in fact whole of Assam had seen. Almost all households in the constituency have received employment, and not just that, Himanta Biswa Sarma has been representing Jalukbari from 2001 onwards. In fact, in 2001 he contested Lok Sabha election as from the Guwahati seat, but there is a lot of a touch. In fact, all of the communal talks that we see in Assam, even from the Congress side, those sentiments never get reiterated in this particular constituency. In fact, many Muslims also proudly call Himanta Dada, as one of their own. So that is the sentiment, because remember, one of the major theme in this particular election is outsider, foreigners, Mia Muslims, and in fact that is a pledge that Himanta Biswa Sarma has taken, that no illegal immigrant will stay in the state. And in fact that has resonated a lot, along with the issue of development. And it becomes a very important election as well, because you heard Mr. Gaurav Gogoi. For him, it is not an election of BJP versus Congress.
Right.
For Mr. Gaurav Gogoi, it is an election between Congress and Himanta Biswa Sarma.
Right.
So that is the appeal, and that is the hold that Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma has over the state.
Pragya, while we are looking at these visuals of this very interesting roadshow, what caught my attention was actually a cutout. In fact, there are two cutouts where we can see these are actually cutouts of Superman, and the face is of Himanta Biswa Sarma, the Chief Minister. So is he seen as a Superman in the state of Assam? Because it mentions M, it does not mention H. What does it mean?
Yes, absolutely. And in fact, he is a man. He is a man in guise of a superman, but I think that was the sentiment of people also when they put out that cutout. Not much of thinking whether that should be S or M, but we'll go that into the detail because we tried asking them whether what this M stands for. But there is certainly an image of hero among the local SMEs people, and the kind of importance that BJP government has given to the indigenous SMEs, that has struck a chord with many of the people in Assam. And in fact, everyone on the ground will fully agree that Assam has seen a lot of development. Assam has seen a kind of narrative that was important for the safety and security and law and order in the state was necessary because it's a very sensitive border state also, and a lot of infiltration had been seen over the past many years. So it becomes a very important connect of Himanta with the people of Assam when he says that I will not let any of the infiltrator live in the state. This is the kind of image that people are drawn to. And in fact, this becomes a very big particular election issue this time as well. So it's a sentiment that people have for Himanta Biswa Sarma. A lot of youngsters, a lot of women we had seen in fact, supporting Himanta Biswa Sarma in the particular rally and the road show as well.
Right. Thank you, Pragya. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on the story. Let's now move on and tell you a little bit more about the ongoing West Asia war.